Hey guys, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here. So I've been wanting to make this video for the last little bit. I'm just going to share with you a little bit of my investing strategy because I think it's important to kind of understand what other people do. So don't take any of this as financial advice. This is just me kind of letting you in on a little bit of what my thought process is behind investing in cryptocurrency. So we're going to jump over and take a look at CoinMarketCap right now. So we can see, I'm actually on the AI sector right now. So let's just jump over to just the normal CoinMarketCap page. So I don't own a ton of Bitcoin because I think Bitcoin can, 2, maybe 3x at this point as of right now, like, or not as of right now, but I mean, as of in this cycle. So I think like most of my funds are better used elsewhere in some altcoins, right? I'm a bit of an altcoin junkie, I like to call myself. So I do have a fair bit of Ethereum. I have quite a bit of Solana. And the reason behind that is um, I think meme coins are going to be a big deal, right? Meme coins are always a big deal. And I think that we're going to see a ton of meme coins pop off that we're not expecting. And it can be really, really hard to pick one. It can be really, really hard to pick the one that's going to actually, 100, whatever X, right? So I look by investing in some of the ecosystem tokens as well. So where Solana is the actual network that houses a ton of meme coins, I'm putting some of my money into Solana. I also have, some others, XRP, Dogecoin, Cardano, etc., that I've been holding for a long time. I'm not continuing to add to those bags just yet because I think, well, XRP is still in the lawsuit, and Cardano is a little bit a little bit undervalued, and the development is they're developing, but they're not getting the attention that they need to move the price right now, and that's pretty much what it comes down to. Sometimes when crypto just doesn't look sexy, it doesn't move. Hype kind of moves crypto more than utility sometimes, and that can be a little bit problematic trying to figure out which ones that you want to invest in. Because a lot of times when I'm investing, I'm trying to it's more psychological for me. Like I'm trying to figure out what other people are going to do, and that kind of helps me make up my mind. So in that instance, I'm going to go with some of the biggest sectors in crypto, right? So I'm thinking memes are going to run. I'm also thinking, like I said, Solana, and Solana's kind of categorized with memes, right? And I'm moving my mouse around just so you can see what I'm looking at here. AI, gaming, RWA, and DPIN. These right here are the sectors that I'm invested in for this bull run. As we know, I'm big into AI. I have a ton of the bigger projects. I've got some Tau. I've got some quite a bit of FET. I've got Injective. I've got a ton of these, but I also have some smaller caps as well because I believe that the bigger cap tokens are going to do well. And then I'm going to take my chances and do some more riskier plays on some smaller cap tokens. And I've done some videos on those for you guys, letting you guys know what some of those are, like 0x0. I also have like PAL AI. I have, a ton of different, and even small caps like Chain GPT. Wow, that's still actually kind of a larger cap. Let's go down here. Neural AI, Hash AI is one that I'm actually looking at purchasing. I'm probably going to buy some before this next move. Link is good. ZKML. We've got NewNet. We've got a ton of different projects that are down here. Even ones that you guys don't know about. I have a few other ones as well. Like Promethean Prodigy is one that I've been holding for months now. It's got a ton of potential as well. So the AI sector is definitely one that I'm betting big on. I also have some gaming plays, and with gaming, like I'm a gamer, so I like to see, I want to see some AAA games come out of crypto gaming. You know what I mean? And I think that we're not quite there yet. I think there's some things that are in the works, but nothing really stands out in my opinion. So what I'm doing right now is instead of investing in specific games, I'm investing in the ecosystem tokens. So like something like Gala. Gala hosts a ton of different games. So I think, Gala is still, it's under $1 billion market cap right now. This thing was a heck of a lot higher, and it still has some room to basically go, right? So I'm investing in, ecosystem tokens. There's a number of ones you could do that with, and like there's like Superverse and a number of different ecosystem tokens that are kind of like launch pads for games, right? Then we also have RWA, and RWA is going to be big. I don't know how big it's going to be this bull run. So I'm just kind of a minimal investing into RWA. I think it's eventually going to take off. It's going to be huge, but I don't think we're quite there yet for RWA. DPIN, I think DPIN is going to be a very kind of almost essential when it comes to AI. So if AI really takes off, we're going to see DPIN really take off as well, just because of that kind of, it's like a support almost sector, right? So, with render and things like that, I think that, Kosh, and we got AOZ, I think that that thing is going to go explosive. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. This is just me and my opinions. But I'm betting big on some of these, under $1 billion or even under $500 million market caps. And I also have some smaller things as well. Like I said, the same thing as the AI sector, right? You have your big ones. You have your tokens that is probably going to make you some money, and then you can be a little bit more riskier with your smaller ones, right? So that's pretty much what I've got there. So I'm going to be looking to add a little bit here in the next probably couple of weeks. Kind of depends on how the market plays out here. I'm hoping we get a little bit of more of a dip than we have today, and I'm going to be adding some like lower cap stuff. But that's pretty much my investment strategy for this bull. I think if we stick to some of the sectors that have been already outliers in this, in this year. 2024 has been really great for AI, has been great for meme coins. We've seen a number of different meme coin runs. We've seen, RWA, some RWAs and some like DPIN stuff take off, and layer ones, layer twos, the roll ups and that kind of stuff. It's just picking, just you know pick some good picks, some stable picks, and then go riskier with the other stuff, because the risky stuff is what's actually going to make you a ton of money. That's basically what I got for you guys in this video. Please don't take any of this to heart, or please do your own research. But that's basically my investment strategy for this coming bull run. I'm looking at hopefully making a ton of money, setting myself up, setting my family up as well, because ultimately I'm here to make some money, to help you guys along the way with news and things like that, and letting you guys know what's out there. And I just want to kind of set myself up so that people don't have to struggle. I help out people when I can. If I have a really good month or whatever, and a friend of mine's struggling, I'm like, hey, help them out or whatever. And it's something that I really enjoy to do. I also next month I'm doing some volunteer work. We're going to be raising money for toys for kids for Christmas. So that's something that I do in my area every year for the last, I think this is our 7th year that we've been doing it. Last year we raised almost $50,000. So, it's really nice to give back. It's nice to be able to have the time and the freedom that crypto gives me to do that. And I'm very, very lucky. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.